All right, welcome back to the faculty video training course. What I'm going to try and show you today, it's at the end of the semester now. You need to talk with Marty and get your outcomes and assessment stuff done. We set you up in Moodle. You've been tracking your outcomes. You tagged all those to your assignments and to your exams and stuff. So now you just have to get to the end of the semester and get all that stuff out of Moodle to give to Marty. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Come to the front of your class. At the bottom, on the left side, you see there's a course dashboard. Click course dashboard. In the middle, where the dashboard, you see there's outcomes. You can click outcomes. Comes to something like this. There's an activity and performance. That's where it tracks the whole class. Completion marking tracks individual students. Activity and performance is where you see the class totals. So I'm going to click on activity and performance. And you should see a graph that looks something like this, or a chart that looks like this. You should have your outcomes listed, the average grades, and how many items were tagged to each outcome. So for instance, in here, this must be a math class, factoring polynomials and solve. If I click the 4 items, I can see what 4 items was tagged to that particular outcome. But this chart right here is what we need to give Marty. So down here in the bottom right corner, you see there's a download. Toggle the right here, the table data. We want it as a spreadsheet, so we click the down arrow, click Microsoft Excel. Well, we can then click download once it's listed as Excel. It spits it out. Let me open it here in the middle. Spits it out something like this. I'm going to enable editing so I can clean it up a little bit before I send it to Marty. There's an ID section. I can delete that column. Maybe expand these out a little bit so I can kind of see what's going on. Make these a little easier to see. Maybe center those in the column so I can see them easier. You know, something like this. And I could save this spreadsheet. I could then email it to Marty, or I could print it out and take it to Marty. I think what Marty's wanting is this chart along with your commentary form. So you'll still need to fill out the commentary form, but from here you can see how your class scored on each of your outcomes right here, the average grade for each of those outcomes. So again, you can save that as email, print that out, whatever, once you download that spreadsheet. If you haven't tagged your outcomes to your assignments and or quizzes yet, you can still do that even though it's the end of the semester. Moodle will let you go back and tag those easily. When I send this video out, I'll also send the video out on how to do that, how to tag your outcomes to your assignments and quizzes so you can track them, and then at the end it'll take maybe 20-30 minutes to do that, and then you can take 5 minutes here of that to do it this way at the end, and then turn that stuff into Marty. Hope this video helps. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'm always here if you need help. Feel free to give me a shout out, email, voicemail, come by the office, and we'll get you squared away. Thanks.